Okay, the triangles. So once you've read the article and watched the video, you're ready to start circling the triangles that best describe you. I do have a definitions for each of these green triangles and the purple ones. So if there are any that you're not sure what they mean, um, because a lot of them just have letters in them, you may look at those letters and know what they mean. You may be super confused, or maybe you just can't read them very well because the contrast between the white and the green is sometimes hard to read. So come talk to me if you're not sure what a triangle says. I'm going to show you quickly a couple of examples. So this is my example, and you can see that I have mostly normalized purple triangle circle. There are 4 non-normalized circles that I have triangled. I'm female. I have a disability, which is why you see me wear a mask all the time. I'm not Christian, and I'm not married. And there are times when I'm really aware of those parts of my identity and some situations where they matter more. And I will say, in the last few years, with the pandemic, I am way more aware of the ability triangle than I ever have been before in my life. Here's another one, and I'll just give a really quick example. This is a person who has a lot more non-normalized parts of their identity. And you can see there's a couple where they've got more than parts of more than one triangle circled. So this is a person who was assigned female at birth and does use she pronouns, but as they got older, identifies as non-binary and also uses they pronouns, has the privilege of looking like a female and presenting as a female and using she pronouns, so doesn't have to be at risk because their gender doesn't match what the world thinks they are, but is aware that their gender identity doesn't match what the world thinks they are. So they're part of it is the green triangle, non-binary, and part of it is the privilege of being assigned female at birth and also using she pronouns and being able to pass as female. So you might have triangles where you are circling more than one. Some of you for race will circle more than one. Some of you for ethnicity will circle more than one. I guess if you are ambidextrous and you can use both hands equally well, or you use each different hands for different things you do, you might circle right and left-handed. So you're going to go through on the PDF and circle purple or green. There's no writing you need to do or anything. And then once you've circled your triangles, you're going to upload it to the assignment.